Hey guys, welcome to Leesby Technology. This is Alex. Let's know how to make an automated drain system for a portable AC. It's very simple that you just need to connect all these things. You require an aquarium based pump like this, which is AC operated. Then, basically a float switch. A float switch is of different types. One is active when the water is level, the motor can be activated, or when the motor is high, it can be. So it comes with a three terminal NPN or PNP kind of system, and then you can connect it accordingly as per your. For us, this will be when the motor is full. So right now, there are two drain pipes which will be needed. There will be a vessel like this which will be needed. The overall structuring of this is, the phase and neutral is connected to the respective float from there to the motor as per the structure, as you can see. Then I'm just basically connecting this motor to the float switch. Then from the float switch to basically the power. So. Once the float switch is up or active, that is when the motor will work subsequently. Now I'm just dipping it in the respective tank, placing the motor inside, and then above that I'll be placing the float switch. There is a weight which is applicable for this. Why? Because when the water comes in, this has to bend accordingly, and once it reaches a brim, that is when it gets automatically activated. So I'll just give it space for it to float. Then basically there is the drain pipes which needs to be connected. One of the drain pipes will be connected to the respective inlet side. That is what I'm taking as of now. So this will be connected to the inlet side, and then the other part will be connected to the outlet side. If you guys would like to purchase this thing, it is available in Amazon. Not the entire set, but individual sets. I'll be putting it in the description below. So once that is done, we can basically supply the give the power supply to the respective thing. Now it's activated. All we have to do is wait for the water to fill. So this is the overall structuring. So once I plug it in, now the water is filled. So now it's getting activated. See, the float switch is on the top, so now it's getting activated. And see the drain going out. I gave it to the washroom so that it goes out. So once it reaches a minimum threshold, that means the float switch goes down, it will get automatically cut off. So now you don't have to bother about the drain. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do like and subscribe. And it's very easy for us to do it at home. And this is basically a flush technology which has been copied, but it's very easy for us and it gives you a relaxation. As I always say, lazy minds find the easiest way out. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe.